On the journey toward wealth and prosperity, every decision we make plays a crucial role. The quote, "Always ask yourself, will this help me reach my goal or not?" serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of carefully evaluating our choices. This practice can be the difference between achieving your dreams or getting stuck in a cycle of stagnation. The importance of asking yourself. Asking yourself if a particular action or choice brings you closer to your goals is a habit that can transform your life. This practice involves a continuous process of self-assessment and awareness, allowing you to stay focused on your long-term goals. This doesn't mean you should deprive yourself of moments of rest or leisure, but rather that you should make conscious choices, always aligned with your greatest objectives. For example, imagine you're working to save money and invest in your own business. When considering an impulsive purchase, ask yourself, will this help me reach my goal of starting my own business? If the answer is no, it's a sign that this action might steer you away from your goal. This simple act of questioning your choices can prevent unnecessary detours and keep you on the right track. Examples of habits aligned with your goals. Daily planning. Before starting your day, make a list of tasks that will truly contribute to your personal and financial growth. Ask yourself if each task aligns with your bigger goals. Continual education. Instead of spending hours on purposeless entertainment, invest that time in courses, readings, or practices that expand your skills and knowledge, increasing your chances of thriving. Strategic networking. When attending events or meetings, consider if these connections can help you reach your goals. This might mean choosing events that add value to your professional network. Time management. Whenever you're tempted to procrastinate, ask yourself if this will really help you reach your goals. Adopting effective time management is crucial to ensuring every moment is spent productively. Healthcare. Maintaining physical and mental health is vital for achieving your goals. Ask yourself if your dietary and lifestyle choices are helping keep your body and mind in optimal condition for success. Daily affirmations to stay focused on your goals. I make conscious decisions that bring me closer to my dreams. I choose actions that contribute to my prosperity. Every choice I make takes me one step closer to success. I focus on tasks that truly matter for my goals. My journey is shaped by the decisions I make daily. The practice of asking yourself if your actions bring you closer to your goals is a powerful strategy to ensure you are always on the right path to achieving wealth and prosperity. By adopting this habit, you create a more conscious and directed life, where every decision is a step toward your dreams. Write your name in the comments so we can create a chain of wealth energy for all of us to vibrate at this energetic frequency. If you enjoyed this meditation, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel, Abundance Mindset. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications of new content that will help you achieve your dreams and goals. Peace and prosperity.